Sometimes we need to know some value above or below a particular value. So I use the cumulative frequency, or like this question that asks, in a running race, the time of 80 competitors were recorded. They are summarized in the table shown. We see the time is in class interval. So I don't have the exact value to know the value above or below the exact value or particular value. So I have to use cumulative frequency to find any value I need to know. Anyway, part A asks, construct a cumulative frequency table for the data. And well, here I bring a table here for part A. The first two columns are exactly the question gave me, so I write frequency 7, 13, 18, 25, 12, and 5. For the third column that I am gonna construct a cumulative frequency, I say the first row always would be exactly the frequency I have. For the second row, I start to add this frequency with the previous one. So I say 13 plus 7 gives me 20, and then 18 plus 20 gives me 38, and 25 plus 38 gives me 63, and then 12 plus 63 gives me 75, and for the last one would be 80. Look here, 80 is even number. I am done for part A. I will go for part B. It says draw a cumulative frequency graph of the data. I put the for part B. I put the coordinate plane here. For the horizontal line or horizontal axis, I have a time, and for the vertical line, I have a cumulative frequency. So I start from 30, 30, I said it's almost 0, and 35, I get it 7. So I put the point, plot the point here. For 35, it would be 7. For 40, it would be 20. So for 40, it would be 20. For 45, it would be 38. I try to be accurate to put this point. So it would be 38. And for the 50 would be 63. Would be 63 here. And for 45, here would be 75. I said almost here. And for 60 would be 80. I come here. Okay, I joined this point together. Oh, I messed up. Okay, I try to joined them properly. Okay, so it's part B. I graph all the data here. I will go for part C. Part C, use your graph to estimate one the median time. For median time, we see the I go for cumulative frequency and I see it's 80, so 80 plus 1 divided by 2 would be between 40 and 41, so the average of 40 and 41 would be here 40.0. So 40.0, I try to cut from 40.0, cut the graph here, would be here, this point, and then from this point on graph, I will come to see which point of the horizontal line would be cut. Would be here, that means between 45.5 minutes. So the median time would be 45.5 would be my median. For part 2, it says the number of runners whose time was less than 38 minutes. Less than 38 minutes. So I come 38, I get 38 minutes. Uh, I get 38 minutes here. If I get it 38 minutes, I'm gonna find the runner who's less than 38 minutes. So I will go to see where the 38 will cut the graph, and I will continue for the vertical line to see here, almost here. If we be accurate, we will see it cut the vertical axis at 14. So we can say 14, the number of runner whose time was less than 38 minutes. I will go for the last part. Let me change the color. It's better to change it to, oh, okay. So now it's at the time in the which the fastest 30 runners complete the course. In time, I'm gonna find a time in which the fastest 30 runners complete the course. So 30 runners here. I am gonna to see which time they will complete the course. If I be accurate, I will see they will cut the course at, and I will continue to see here almost 43, so would be 43 minutes. The 30 fastest runner will be complete the course 43 minutes.